Welcome back! Today we're exploring the top 5 best Samsung Galaxy S26 lens protectors for 2026 to help you keep your lenses safe and your photos flawless. Let's get started. First on our list is the Avocase Galaxy S26 Camera Lens Protector. This one's made with 9H hardness tempered glass and aviation-grade aluminum alloy metal rings. It's perfect for those looking for reliable scratch resistance while keeping a slim profile that's still case-friendly. The HD Clear anti-reflection glass ensures your photos stay sharp with no noticeable distortion. Installation is simple, though aligning the individual pieces can take a little more precision than one-piece designs. If you're looking for lightweight protection that looks sleek and preserves your camera's quality without the bulk, this one's a solid pick. However, if you want extreme drop protection, you might want to consider a heavier-duty option. Overall, it's a good choice for everyday users on a budget. Next up, we've got the Ringke camera lens frame glass for the Galaxy S26. This protector brings a solid build with 9H tempered glass and aluminum alloy frames, offering great protection from scratches and daily wear. The oleophobic coating is a nice touch, keeping fingerprints at bay. While it's easy to install, the individual pieces require a bit more care for proper alignment. Ringke provides slightly better impact resistance than the ultra-thin protectors like ESR, but it's a bit bulkier. It fits well with most cases and still offers great value for money. If you want more protection than a minimalist protector without going too heavy, this is an excellent middle ground choice. Coming in at number 3 is the ESR Camera Lens Protector for the Galaxy S26. It features ultra-thin tempered glass with aluminum edging, offering a sleek design that's still case-friendly. Installation is relatively easy, though you'll need patience to align the individual pieces correctly. While this protector provides good scratch resistance, it's not built for heavy-duty drop protection like some bulkier models. If you want a low-profile protector that doesn't interfere much with the aesthetics of your phone while still offering solid protection, this is a great option. For those seeking maximum durability, however, you might want to opt for a thicker protector. The TORRAS Galaxy S26 Camera Lens Protector comes in at number 2. Built with military-grade 9H+ tempered glass and a precision metal frame, it offers robust anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint protection. The one-to-one perfect fit ensures easy installation, and it integrates seamlessly with your phone's design. Compared to the ultra-thin protectors, the TORRAS protector provides better drop resistance and stronger impact protection. If you want a more durable protector that doesn't compromise photo quality, this is definitely worth considering. It may be slightly bulkier than minimalist options, but the added protection is well worth it. For serious daily defense without sacrificing photo quality, this is a top contender. Finally, taking the top spot is the Spigen Camera Lens Screen Protector Glass-Tar Easy Fit Optic Pro for the Galaxy S26. This protector is made with 9H hardness tempered glass and comes with a precision Easy Fit tray for easy installation. It provides excellent protection against scratches, dust, and daily wear while maintaining crystal clear photo quality and minimal flash interference. Compared to the other protectors on this list, Spigen offers a great balance of protection and ease of use. It's not as rugged as military-grade options, but it still provides reliable everyday protection, especially with the included alignment tray that ensures perfect placement. If you want something that's simple to install, preserves your camera's quality, and offers great value for money, this is the one to beat. That's it for today's review. Let me know your favorite lens protector in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.